just behind that tree is a woodpecker. You can just see his head popping up. Back of his head is red, and he's got a green body. There he is. There you are, baby. Now he, or somebody very like him, not long ago was digging a hole, tapping a hole, whatever it is, in another tree in our garden. I wonder if he's going to make his home here. Come on, fella. You know you want to. What's it? Is it a green woodpecker? I'm not sure. The black and white speckledy one is called a common woodpecker, I think. But he is the other sort. Somebody who knows about birds, tell me what kind of bird it is. Gorgeous. Sorry about the camera shake. I expect YouTube will probably be able to fix that. There we are. I'm going to leave him. Can't film him all day. Got work to do.